Bhav is a gift. That gift, Bhava Janmane, that gift is given by living in Vrindavan. Why? Because Vrindavan is Krishna. Vrindavan is Sakshat Krishna. The name, the holy name is Bhav. Why? Because the name is Sakshat, is directly Krishna. Thakurji Seva gives Bhav, because Thakurji obviously is directly Krishna. And the Bhagavatam gives Bhav and Prem. Why? Because the Bhagavatam is Krishna Sarupam. Srimad Bhagavatam, Krishna Sarupam. This is right from the Bhagavatam itself. And then the other one is Vaishnava Seva. The Vaishnavas are the Kripa Murti Shakti. Kripa Murti Shakti. The Murti, the form of Krishna Kripa, Krishna Kripa. How I get, oh Kripa, Kripa, Bhagavan Kripa Karo, Bhagavan Kripa Karo, Kripa Karo. How I get the Kripa? By Vaishnava Seva. Vaishnava Kripa Ambudi. Vaishnava Kripa Ambudi. Ambudi means Sagar, Sindhu. He's the ocean of Kripa. This is where you get it. Kripa Shakti Murti. So Vaishnava Seva gives you what is the Kripa? The Kripa by serving Vaishnava. He gives you what he has. If he has Nishtha, he gives you Nishtha. If he has a Sakti, he gives you a Sakti. If he has Bhav, he gives you Bhav. If he has Prem, he gives you Prem. You don't know. Oh, he's Deshi, he be Deshi. There's no vichar here. Prem is Prem. Raskan. Raskan is a Prem, is a Rasika.